Yeah, thanks, Alex. Yeah, I think it's quite typical of this process for us to experience the full range of emotions, but many people experience anxiety, paranoia, fear that seems to be general without a specific cause, right? So sometimes we may be paranoid of getting caught if we're doing something illegal. But sometimes there's just a general sense of paranoia or a general sense of anxiety. We can't pinpoint exactly what the specific reason may be. Um, Sometimes when we're younger as kids, we may have the ability to dissociate, leave our body, check out, and find safety in a sort of spaced out place. That's our safety. But the anxiety, the fear, the terror, the paranoia, whatever it may be, um, it's not addressed. It's just bottled up and then escaped from. But as we become older, the Kundalini, the awakening that takes place within our body, within the nervous system, invites us deeply into the body. And in some cases, it says, okay, no more checking out, no more dissociating. You're safe now. You're, in a different situation. Let's address these feelings that were maybe lingering from a long time during the past. And so it can come up in a sort of just general way, like an ongoing, just sort of a refrigerator type hum of terror, fear, guilt, shame, etc. Um, the way that I see it is it's coming up to be felt and released. And I see here John is sharing your feel it to heal it. So there was a mantra that I picked up from Matt Kahn. It was, whatever I'm feeling, I'm healing. So just allowing those feelings to be there, taking note that that's the smoke of the fire of Kundalini that's burning within you. It's just turning all of that content, that material, those you know, pieces of wood, it's all being burned up and now you're feeling the smoke. And that's this paranoia and whatnot. That's generally speaking from the paradigm of Kundalini. Another way that we can see it is those paranoid fears, anxieties, whatever it may be, they've been influencing you the whole time anyway on a more unconscious level. So they may be affecting relationships, they may be affecting the way that we move through the world, though we're not feeling it directly in such a direct way. But now we see, okay, let's burn this up so it no longer influences me. And that's why on the other side of these purges or purifications or these, bonfires that are burning within us, once the material is burned up, it no longer influences us. And that's why we describe on the other side of these purges, there's peace, there's confidence, there's healing, there's expanded states of awareness, there's deep love, because that material is no longer there influencing us. So that's within the paradigm of Kundalini. Now, outside of that, we can do other things, right? We can make ourselves feel safe, reassure ourselves that we are safe. We can explore what's going on in our body. Maybe there's some general, maybe there's body work, maybe there's seeking a community or psychotherapy or somewhere where we can feel safe. There's positive affirmations that we can remind ourselves, I'm safe, all is well, there's nothing to worry about, there's nothing to fear, it's all okay. So we can do those things as well. But generally speaking, it seems like many people have these, we can say like a bonfire, right? A bonfire burning up inside all the stuff that we no longer need to carry. So tell me, Alex, how does that sound for you? Does that sort of fit your experience?
Yeah, that's really accurate. And I really liked when you said the refrigerator feeling, like that's literally how it feels.
Yeah. Yeah. The refrigerator hum.
Yeah,
Yeah.
uh, so thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. And know that in time,
Hmm.
it's a self-limiting process because the material is limited. There's only a certain amount of content that we're carrying, emotional content that we're carrying. In time, it's over, it's gone, it's finished. And we can find great peace on the other side of that.
Yeah, I would also like in the past I would like be really confused about that feeling and I would react on it
Mm,
in an unhealthy way in a way. Yeah. So now I'm more, I guess, it makes more sense and it's like I just know it needs time to the smoke to like end or do its thing.
hmm Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. And yeah, we all will likely have some reactions to it now and then. But the more we practice mindfulness and create a safe space to process those feelings without needing to react to it, it can help us a lot. And that's one thing that's interesting is many people on the spiritual path may think that spirituality is about feeling peace and joy and happiness all the time. So when they have these sorts of purging happen, they may think, oh, this is contradictory. I'm not a good traveler of the spiritual path. But if we look at the stories of virtually every great spiritual master, they all had periods of this, you could say refrigerator hum or bonfire or purging or whatever it is. And so what we're experiencing is not unheard of at all. Thank you.